My name is Guy Canova. I'm the facilities management supervisor here in Grants Pass. I manage a crew, a relatively small crew right now, that is charged with maintaining and operating all the facilities that are under our purview, which currently is not all the facilities in the city. What I look for in somebody that's in this role, I look for somebody that's got a mechanical aptitude, thinks logically, is able to troubleshoot, is curious, which I think is very important. Customer service is very important too, I think, in this business, because every day we're dealing with tenants, and we're dealing with tenants oftentimes that aren't happy for one reason or another. If you make a commitment and tell somebody you're going to do something, to do it is vital. And then to close the loop and let the customer know that, hey, I might not have been able to do exactly what you wanted, but here's what I've done. Sometimes you can't always accomplish exactly what they want to accomplish. You have constraints based on systems, operations, oftentimes. I love the climate down here. The people are friendly down here. The recreational opportunities are amazing. Love the proximity of the ocean, the mountains. It's just a great place to relax and enjoy. You've got the river, mountains, ocean. I like working for the city. It's just got a good culture. It's got a good morale. You know, it's very supportive environment. Everybody here is caring and concerned about their job and the citizens of Grants Pass, and that makes for, you know, a good working environment.